Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. You are watching CSC Guide official YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how you apply for Chinese government scholarship for China Agriculture University graduate program. China Agriculture University graduate program and Silk Road program scholarship started in China Agricultural University. So now let's start. As I already says you that come on this website, visit this website and get everything which you want. So now the website name is cscguideofficial.com. Now came to the point. Now Chinese government scholarship, Chinese Agricultural University graduate program and Silk Road program. So first we discuss Chinese Agricultural University graduate program, and then in this video we will discuss about Silk Road program. So what is the difference between Chinese graduate? Both are the CSC scholarships, but what is the difference in between this? So you will learn in the video. So how you fill this form, everything will be cleared in this. So now came to the point. This is Chinese government scholarship, University of China Agricultural University for master and PhD students, fully funded scholarship for master and monthly allowance 33,500 RMB, and the deadline is 15th March 2020. So eligibility criteria which you shown. So how to apply for this? First you fill the CSC application form. How you fill the CSC application form? I always the link in the description, and this is the link of the CSC online application form. And how after filling CSC application forms you fill China Agriculture University online application portal. How you fill this I will tell you in this video. So click on this link here, and you can go to the official online application portal of China Agricultural University. So now what is the document required for this? So first all these documents in duplicate and send to the university address. Okay, what is the university address? This is the mailing address of the university. So after filling both the form, you must pay the application fee. How you pay the application fee? Before submission form submission or after submission? They don't mention anything on this official website. So when you fill the form, then I will tell you how you pay the fee. So after submitting both online application form, track your application online daily and check your status. How you check your status? I always discuss in my previous video, and in this video I will also discuss about this. Prepared other documents and send it to university. What is that university address? This is the mailing address of the China Agricultural University, and result announced in the end of July. Now I will tell you how you fill this form in this video, so don't worry about this, and also discuss about the fee, how you pay the application fee, in which account you pay the application fee, because the university don't mention bank account of the university. So when we fill the form, then it's clear then it's clear that either you pay the fee before this submission or after submission. So if you so now came to the documents list. What is the documents required for this university? CSC application form, China Agriculture University online application form, which you fill in this link, and highest degree transcript of highest education and notarized copy, personal statement, 2 recommendation letters, passport, photocopy, research plan, physical examination form, English proficiency certificate. It's not must. So if you have English proficiency, you can apply with this. Acceptance letter is optional. Public academic papers or other academic achievements also required. If you have, then attach with this. So now came to the official website, official announcement. So must check the official announcement of every university. So this is all the things which I discussed, and GPA is above 3.0. If your GPA is less than 3.0, then don't apply in this university. So no scholarship coverage. What is your scholarship coverage, tuition fee, everything will be free. Okay, and no this is the application procedure. Everything we will discuss in website. So 15th March is the last date. Your documents reached on this university before 15th of March. All these things in duplicate, and I will discuss all these things. So now came forward to the next point, next video. Okay, Silk Road program. What is Silk Road program? This is same like the B category. This is included in B category, and but this is some special programs in this category in Silk Road program. So in this in graduate program, these are special types of courses which they done. So what is the major courses we will find. What is the course? This is the courses programs available list. So if your programs available in this list, then apply, otherwise don't apply in this university. So these are all the program. Find your programs and apply as soon as possible. But in case of Silk Road scholarship, this is already, and this is different program, so we'll discuss in this video. This is the same process as as graduate program, China Agriculture University Chinese graduate program, but the deadline is 30th of March for this university, and other procedure is same, but a little bit different in that applicants of record must also submit the abstract of master dissertation. So not any mention in official website or official announcement of this CSC Silk Road program for Chinese government scholar Silk Road programs in China Agricultural University. So never mention in this website that you should send your documents in duplicate, but I advise you that you must send your document in duplicate to the university. So this is the measures in which they taught which they which they taught in CGS Silk Road program. Check your major in this list. If your major is in this program, then apply, otherwise you don't apply in this university. So now came forward to the little bit review of Beijing government scholarship. So the Beijing government scholarship has been started, so apply as soon as possible, but I don't have any idea, I don't find any accurate and authentic detail about this, so that's why I don't tell you anything. So I'll try to find how to apply for this. The deadline is 30th of April. So now came forward to the how you fill the form, how you fill the university application form. So came forward to the application form and sign in. So if you have already account, then click registered, click on register. If you don't have any existing accounts, then click on register. If you have account, then click on sign in option. So we sign in. After signing in, you click on the online application, and you saw that Beijing government scholarship and Chinese government scholarship. So I click on Chinese government scholarship. Let's see what happened. So I'm a master student, and click on master, and after clicking on master, will show that this is the major, but you should find your major. So I will try to find economics and management. So select your major here and choose your language. If your language is English, then it's included. Yes, it's included. Then I want to apply. So oh sorry, this says that the application will be open from 2021 to 2020 of 3 of 20. Please apply in due time. So means that the application will be started in 1 year. So I don't have any idea about this because we follow the original advertisement of this university, official announcement of this university. So according to this they clearly mention that the application has been started. So that's why I'll tell you that the Silk Road program and graduate program admission has been started. So prepare your documents. If you have acceptance, then apply, must apply in the university. If you don't have an acceptance, then try to get acceptance. This is clearly mentioned that the application deadline has been started, but online application will work from January 1st. So hope so you like the video. If I'm slow in this video because students say that speak slowly, so that's why my English is not good, but I will try to make this video for those students who don't understand Urdu, Hindi, same like these languages. So Good luck, and hope to see you soon in next video.